Welcome back to my Jamerican life. So Chef Gav is gonna do some soursop juice. Can you hold up? Can you hold up and let me see it? Turn around the outside. Let's see the outside. Yeah, let me see the big one. So this is a soursop. Look at it. Turn it around. Let me see the other side. So we just got this off the tree, right? So we're gonna juice this. This juice is very popular. There's farms in Central America and South America. All right. All right. Cool. So he's gonna juice it. He's gonna skin it and juice it for us. All right. You got there's a lot of ways to do this. You can do it if you're lactose, okay, you can use lime. So we're gonna use lime tonight. Not that I'm lactose, but just no milk. So we're gonna use the lime tonight. And of course you have John the Baptist over there.
Yeah, man, big up.
John, let the phone finish doing stuff, man, before you stop
It's
it.
finished already, but it is done.
How much is it now?
You come up for that already, I'm going to fill something depending.
Yes, this is what it's doing right here. I'm helping John with his phone, y'all. So he's doing the soursop, milking the soursop. He's updating, John.
Oh, yeah.
Let it do its stuff. Don't touch it. Let it do its stuff, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Technology, man. Let it do the update. All right, so we skin it out now. So yes, he's taking off the skin. All right. So ever since we got here, man, he makes some good soursop juice, man. Like I'm telling you, that wicked. Yeah, man. So yeah. He don't like being in the videos. I said if you're gonna be a world award chef, man, you gotta be out there, man. So you can't leave the man alone, John. Yeah, John over there talking crap as usual. So this, when I was growing up, we call this the soursop penis.
When the people better drink that.
So look, we call this the soursop penis.
When the people better drink that.
John, you're Ross.
Yeah, man, that people better.
That's John at usual talking super crap.
No, seriously.
So this is what it looks like now. So he's gonna take the seeds out. I'm not sure. Maybe he blended with the seed, and I'm not sure.
Come, just watch the video, bro. Just video.
So he said just video, just watch him do his
And
stuff.
a little bit of white for a minute.
He's gonna pour water in it. All right. See what he's doing, pouring water in. He should have a bigger container.
Bro.
You want a bigger bowl?
Good.
He said just watch, just look and learn. So he's dropping it in the blender. All right. So the first time I was annoyed. I'm like, he's gonna blend the seeds? Like, what is he doing?
Oh, thank you, the dog. I love it.
So look what he's doing. All right. And he transform into that container. Okay. See that liquid? White. Okay. Alright, so don't be with you see me all using his technique. I'm a pirate, soursop juice pirate. Now there's a technique pirate. So this is no trash, right?
Yeah, let's see. I'm not ready for you moving.
Oh, you don't move yet. Okay, hey, damn. So he pours some water in, put it back in the blender. He doesn't, he doesn't grind it up, right? Just pay attention to that. What's he doing? Stop. It's just to extract the liquid out of that. You don't want to grind the seeds up. Okay.
This time will take a little bit more time now because what me about to do now? I'll get rid of all the seeds in.
So the problem now is to get the seeds out. And if
Yeah, so
my hands was
no,
clean,
people now have no time. I may not put my hand inside it, so.
and he's not gonna. But if you're a chef, your hands supposed to be clean. You're supposed to put your hands in. No, but
This is
we
juice.
trust you. Put your hands in.
We just acidify the seed in.
Oh, so this is what I so the seed. Okay, so the
So this is
pulp.
going to take time now. You have to take out all the
The
seeds.
seed comes out of the pulp, so this takes time. Okay, I got what you're saying. Man.
I'm going to
So the way he does it now, he just get doing it and grind it. And he doesn't grind it, but the seed is inside the pulp.
Yeah,
So the way he does it now, the seed comes out of the pulp.
So now we'll search the seeds in.
So we're searching for the seed. So this takes time, y'all.
Yeah, this will take a good time, but
But
This
if
is my
I
way.
was doing it now, I'll pluck the seed out first.
this is more easier for me.
But you said easier this way. So hey guys, we're just learning. You see that right there? When you guys just gonna add all these ingredients to it. We got lime, we got some vanilla, we got some brown sugar, we got some ginger. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah, I drink that. Then think
So
not
there's a
the
couple
part
more
that
seeds in there.
Maybe I forgot pause the video here, wait on.
No, man, you're good, man.
It's gonna take time.
25. Yeah, I'm here. It's a learning experience for all of us, man. So that's the process is going through right there, right? The process is, okay.
Get rid of the seeds.
So he's taking out the seeds, so that's a little process right there. There's a couple more seeds in there, so he's gonna get all the seeds out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just I'm gonna cut away for a minute, and then I'm gonna pick it up back when he's like finished with the seeds. All right.
Yeah.
On to the next step. Okay. All right. See y'all in a bit.